Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about understanding the three basic types of digital marketing campaign. As discussed in my previous videos, digital marketing campaign can be used for a variety of reasons, starting from creating brand awareness to increasing the sale, to becoming the loyal customer, and then finally becoming the high ticket purchaser. Basically, as I have discussed in my previous videos, the concepts revolves around understanding the target audience and creating a personalized experience by anticipating what they are likely to do. And this all boils down to creating a solid content. Now, marketing campaign today encompass all the digital efforts. That is basically two: your paid and the unpaid. Unpaid means the organic way of dealing with the people. Now, generally, there are three broad categories of digital marketing campaign which can help you meet majority of the objectives. A. Customer acquisition campaign. B. Monetizing campaign. And C. Retention and engagement campaign. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about customer acquisition campaign in detail. The rest of the other two digital marketing campaigns I'm going to cover separately in separate two videos so that the video is not very long. Now, coming to acquisition campaign. Now, there are certain questions that you need to ask yourself when you have to decide or when you are in verge of deciding whether which kind of a campaign you are going to opt for. Number one, is your business growing? Number two, do you feel the need that your business needs to expand or create more of the leads, customers, or prospects? C, do you feel the need to create the brand awareness about you yourself existing in the market as a solution provider to the customers or the prospects who are facing problem? Here, the role of your digital marketing campaign or your marketing is to move your prospects, leads, and your customers from the present stage of awareness to the brand promoters. Here, a systematic, strategic, and sustainable customer acquisition strategy is required while considering both the push and the pull marketing techniques. Now, let us discuss in detail the stages of the customer acquisition campaign. A is create awareness. Here, you need to reach out to your prospects, leads, or the customers with your acquisition campaign and make them aware of yourself as a brand existing in the marketplace as a solution provider. B, engaging the prospects. Here, you need to provide value to your prospects by engaging them constantly, by providing them educational content, information content, entertainment content, inspirational content before asking them for a significant amount of time with yourself. This is known as the content marketing. Content marketing is therefore made or designed to attract the prospective customer, retain him or her, and then finally convert them or bring a certain customer to action. This type of marketing includes blogging, videos, images, social media updates, and so on. C, or the third stage, is subscribe. Here, the prospect is connected to you through the social media platform such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or through email subscriber. At this stage, the prospects can be continued with building relationships. That means going for high conversion rates or opting or making them go for high conversion rates by giving him more content and offers. Fourth or the last stage is convert. Now, the movement or the transition from a stage of unawareness to subscribing and then converting should be subtle or gradually, where building of trust with your prospective customer is very much essential. Here, your prospective customer is ready to give you time or spend money for whatever you are offering. Key points to remember for acquisition campaign is that acquisition campaign is not profit oriented. It's not return on investment oriented. It is more based on building trust with your prospective customers. Now we're going to talk about what or which marketing campaigns can be used to assist in attracting new prospects. A. SEO campaigns. Search engine is the largest market where people spend majority of the time. Thus, SEO ensures that your site is visible to the majority of the audience. It helps to increase the traffic and therefore helps to build the ranking of your business. This therefore helps to increase customer experience, drive more people, and build authority by implementing the organic search. B is your PPC campaigns or the pay-per-click campaigns. Now this helps to generate awareness by instant results. The Google ads that are visible above the organic search results on typing the keywords in the search bar is a part of your PPC or the pay-per-click campaign. Here, therefore, you need to analyze the important or the keywords which can be used for your product or services or ensure you gain high click-through rate or CTR. C is social media campaign. Now this is again very important part of your digital marketing campaign strategy. With more than 60% of the population today using the social media platform, this serves as the best strategy, such as your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. Here, anything that goes viral solves the purpose. Key points to remember: acquisition campaigns are generally based on two types of audiences. A. New leads and customers that we need to create, and B. Activating the dormant customers who have not purchased your product recently. Thank you.